Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Kunal Patel and today in this video we are going to see some basic functionalities, basic operations you can say that, right? First is we are going to calculating the dot products, right? So dot product is summation of AI into BI. So if I want to calculate the dot products of two vectors, then how I can calculate? So first of all I need to take two vectors. So I am defining the vectors over here, okay, and into that I'm going to define 1 2 3, right? Similarly I'm taking another vector, okay, and again into that I'm just going to define the same values, okay. So I have created two vectors. Now if I want to calculate the dot products of it, right, so I just need to call the dot function, okay, and into that I just need to pass the a and b, and if you see that it will provide me the dot products of 14, okay, right. So it is very easy to calculate the dot products. Now if I want to calculate the addition, subtraction and multiplication of two matrices, so I just first of all need to define two matrices, okay, matrices A and matrices B, matrix A and B, right? And if I want to add these two matrices, then np dot add function is there, then matrix A comma matrix B, and then if you see, then it is providing the addition of two matrices, right? The same way if I want to add these two matrices, then another technique is matrix A plus matrix B, and if you calculate, then again it provides the same result, right? So either of the way you can go for it with whatever is suitable to you. Now suppose if I want to find the subtraction, then subtract matrix A and matrix B, and if you see, yes, it is working. So this way you can find the addition and subtraction of the particular matrix. Now suppose if I want to multiply this particular matrix, right, then I just need to go for the np dot, and you can say dot function is there, and I just need to provide matrix of A comma matrix of B, okay, and if you execute, then yes, it multiplies the two matrix, okay, right? So this way you can find again the same functionalities you can achieve with the addition, whatever operators you can apply in between, and you can achieve the same functionality, right? Now the last function I want to discuss in this video series is inverting a matrix, right? So if I want to find the inverse of a matrix, so at school level we have studied that what is the meaning of inverting a matrix. So here is the equation, right, of the invert matrix. A inverse then is equal to identity matrix, right? So if you multiply the original matrix with the inverse matrix, then you will get the identity matrix, right? So let's first of all try to get the inverse of a matrix, right? So how you can find the inverse of a matrix? So again it is a linear algebra function, then you can go for the inverse function and matrix, right? And if you see that this is the particular inverse matrix.